Okay, so this is a video just about the career investigation document. So, so we're just going to go through all the different parts that you have to write about. So you start with the title and you write the whole sentence. As part of Enterprise Education Link Modules 1, I investigated the career of. And here you write the name of what you would like to do later on, what career you would like to have. Author, so you write your own name in here. And then description of career. Here you have to write 5 sentences what this person does daily. Yeah, so for example, he says a teacher teaches children in the classroom. They take care of the children's needs. They supervise them in break time. They interact with the parents. So you write 5 sentences. Write it simple enough. For example, an electrician fixes cables in the house, something like that. Yeah. Here you need to write, the next one is relevant skills and qualities. So you have to have three skills, 3 qualities that you need to have in order to do this job. So don't just get stuff from the internet. Think really what skills or what qualities do I need to have in order to do this job. For example, as a teacher, you need to be flexible, you need to be creative, you need to be patient, yeah? You need to be a good communicator, you need to be able to talk to children, yeah? So these are the things you need to have. As an accountant, you need to be good with numbers, you need to be interested in mathematics, you need to understand concepts quickly. Yeah. So what does a person who does this job need to be good at? Yeah. So I need to be good. I need to be good with numbers, for example, something like that. And then you find 2 ways how you can get this career. So you would either do an apprenticeship or you would go to university or college. So, and then you fill out, you have to find 2 pathways, pathway 1 and pathway 2. So you need to investigate, how can I get this career? For example, in order to become a teacher, I need to go to this college and study this course. So you would write the title of the course as it is on the college website. Yeah, so the full title per college website. So then here you write the name of the college. So the full name. Yeah, so Atlantic Technical University, Letterkenny, or Trinity College, Dublin. So the full title of the university or the college you want to go to goes in here. Here you write down how long is the course. Is it 3 years? Is it 4 years? 5 years? And then here you write a few sentences about the course content. Yeah, so this is the course content. What will you be studying? You will say, in year 1, I will study mathematics. In year 2, I will study the philosophy of education. In year 3, I will do an internship or a placement in a business, yeah, or in a school, yeah. So you need to write down, what are you going to do year 1, year 2, and do you have, sometimes you have to choose a specialty in year 2, so you need to write that down in here as well. Here, next one, basic entry requirements. What is the minimum they want you to have for you to study this course? So that would be maybe something 3 H2s or 6 O3s, something like that. or you have to have higher level math, or you have to have a language. Yeah, so that also you could find that on the college website for this particular course. What do you need to have in order to study this course? Then here, admission procedure means how do you get in. Yeah, so for example, you need to have your how many CAO points for the last, let's say, 2 or 3 years. So you can look back, they will tell you last year the CAO points were this, the year before the CAO points were this. Or if you want to go to college in the UK, they will give you UCAS points. Yeah, so how many UCAS points was it last year, or how many UCAS points was it the year before? Okay, so you need to write that in here. Or if it's for apprenticeship, how do you apply for it? What is the admission procedure? Okay, so then in qualification, you would actually write what level do you come out with. Yeah, is it a bachelor's, is it a master's, is it a level 6, a level 7, level 8, level 9? Yeah, so you need to write down the actual title of what you would get. Like, for example, level 8 honors degree in mechanical engineering. Yeah, so you need to write down the actual title you're gonna come out with. So it is a bachelor of science, or is it a diploma? Is it a degree? Is it a certificate? Is it an apprenticeship? Level 6 apprenticeship, something like that. So that's what you need to write here. So you do that twice, yeah? Pathway 1, and then the same thing again, pathway 2. So then you need to talk about your career choice in light of your personal aptitude. So you should have done a aptitude test in your careers subject with Miss McGowan or Miss McLaughlin, yeah? And in that aptitude test, they would tell you that you should go into nursing, yeah, or you should go into teaching, or you should become an accountant. And this is what you talk about here in this paragraph. Yeah, so you say, according to the aptitude test, I am naturally good at communicating with people. Yeah, or I'm very caring. Because my aptitude test says I'm very caring, I think I would become a very good nurse. Something like that is what you would say here and here. Yeah, so for this. So this is with regard to your aptitude test. If you don't know what it is, check in with Miss McGowan or Miss McLaughlin. Have you done it? Are you still going to do it? The next one is your interest and choice of leaving cert subjects. So let's say you want to become a doctor. You need to say that you have picked biology as one of your leaving cert subjects, or you're doing chemistry. Or if you want to become a history teacher, you have picked history, yeah? So you discuss your choice of leaving subjects with regards to your career. So what is the connection? Even if there's no obvious connection, you can always talk about English, because English teaches you how to communicate with other people, how to write reports, yeah, how to write emails, something like that, okay? Do you have any interests outside of schools? Are you interested in horses, and because of that you want to become, you want to work in the equestrian industry? So some interest like that goes into here. Interest, and then here the leaving certificate subjects, yeah? So try to link 2 subjects. You need to, yeah, so at least 2 subjects that have some relevance for your career choice, yeah? But all biology for medicine, stuff like that. Do you PE, if you have the leaving cert PE as a subject and you want to become a personal trainer, something like that. So you need to link this. Then here you need to talk about your out of class learning experience. So ideally, you would do your work experience in the field you want to have your career in, but that's not always possible. So if you don't have that, you need to interview a person. So if you want to study medicine, you need to interview a doctor. If you want to study if you want to become a teacher, you need to talk to a teacher, yeah? And then you need to actually write down when and where and who did you interview, what did you discuss, what positive points did they give you about your career, what negatives did they say, and how did that influence your decision about your career, yeah? And you can also mention if you went to any open days or the careers exhibition. Yeah, but ideally you should maybe talk to someone who has this career. Okay, so that here you evaluate your career investigation. You discuss, are you suited to, do you think you are suited to this career? Why do you think you are suited? Okay, do you know enough about the salary, the job prospects? Yeah, are you still interested? And how are you, so what are you going to do now to get on this course? So this is what discussed here, and here you, in the next one, or in this one you discuss the process, yeah, the whole research of it. What have you learned? Has it opened your eyes? Did you learn to talk to people? Yeah, when you interview these people, someone, did you learn to talk to adults, something like that? Did you gain any insights into how to do the research, something like that, yeah? So what did you find beneficial in the process, yeah, in the process of it all? And what other careers might you investigate in that field? And then the last thing is your sources of information. That would be your careers portal or your qualifax.ie, something like that. Okay,